If OneDrive keeps starting automatically every time you turn on your Windows 11 PC, that can be annoying, especially if you don't use it right away, or you want your computer to boot a little faster. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to stop OneDrive from launching on startup in Windows 11 step by step. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials. All right, let's get right into it. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. This is where Windows lets you manage apps and background processes, including the programs that start automatically when your computer boots up. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, don't worry. Just make sure you're looking for the full interface so you can see all the tabs across the top. Next, click the Startup Apps tab. This tab shows every application that is set to launch when Windows starts. You may see items like Microsoft Teams, Discord, Spotify, and of course, Microsoft OneDrive. Now scroll through the list and find Microsoft OneDrive. Once you locate it, right-click on OneDrive to bring up the Options menu. From there, click Disable. When you disable it here, you're telling Windows not to load OneDrive automatically during startup. That means it can still be installed on your computer, but it won't begin running the moment you sign in. This is the key step if you want to reduce startup clutter and have more control over what runs in the background. After disabling OneDrive, you can close Task Manager. To make sure the change takes effect, restart your PC. Once your computer starts back up, OneDrive should no longer open automatically in Windows 11. If you ever change your mind later, you can go back to the same Startup Apps tab, find Microsoft OneDrive, and enable it again with just a right-click. So the process is simple. Open Task Manager, go to Startup Apps, find Microsoft OneDrive, disable it, and restart your PC. That's all you need to do to stop OneDrive from automatically starting in Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Windows tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.